Hi everyone, welcome to class. And I'm very sad we couldn't meet because of the coronavirus. But I hope it goes away very soon and we can meet again. Okay, so what day is it today? Today is June 29th. June 29th. And today is Monday. Today's Monday. Okay, how was your weekend, everyone? How was your weekend? And what did you do? Okay, I want you to write what you did over the weekend and send it to me through the app. You can send it to me through the app. Do you understand? Okay, good. Okay, today we are going to look at chapter 17, lesson 17. Let's look at the words first. Okay, number 1, attention. Attention. Number 2, certainly. Certainly. Number 3, collect. Collect. Number 4, earth. Earth. Number 5, picture. Picture. Number 6, planting more trees. Planting more trees. Number 7, recycling cans and paper. Recycling cans and paper. Number 8, reusing plastic bottles. Reusing plastic bottles. Number 9, right now. Right now. Number 10, save. Save. Number 11, show. Show. Number 12, turning off the lights. Turning off the lights. Number 13, using less water. Using less water. Number 14, using public transportation. Using public transportation. Okay, now let's look at our books to page 70. Page 70. Okay, the title of today's lesson is Save Our Planet. Save Our Planet. It means 우리의 지구를 구하는 것. 우리의 지구를 구하다. Save our planet. Okay, let's read together. Let's read together. May I have your attention? Sure, what is it? Let me show you some pictures. We've made the earth very sick. Now it's time to do something to save our planet. How can we save the earth? We can do it by recycling cans and paper. We can also plant more trees. Sure, why don't we start to collect cans and paper to recycle right now? Sounds good. Okay, let's see what it means. May I have your attention? May I have your attention? It means 여기 집중 좀 해줄래? 집중 좀 해줄 수 있니? Sure, what is it? 당연하지, 뭔데? 물어보는 거죠. Sam says, let me show you some pictures. 몇 개의 사진을 좀 보여줄게. We've made the earth very sick. 우리가 지구를 매우 아프게 했어. Now it's time to do something to save our planet. 이제 우리가 지구를 구하기 위해서 무언가를 할 때야. It's the time 하면은 무언가 할 때다. How can we save the earth? 지구를 어떻게 구할 수 있을까? We can do it by recycling cans and paper. 우리는 분리수거를 하면서 무얼 분리수거해? 캔들과 종이를 분리수거하면서 지구를 살릴 수 있어. 지구를 구할 수 있어. We can also plant more trees. 그리고 또한 뭐 할 수 있다고? 그치, 나무를 더 심을 수 있어. 나무들을 더 심을 수 있어. Sure, 당연하지. Why don't we start to collect cans and paper to recycle right now? 뭐뭐 하는 거 어때? Why don't we? 뭐뭐 하는 거 어때? Start to collect. 수집하는 거. 뭘 수집해? 캔과 종이를 수집해. To recycle. 분리수거하기 위해서. Right now, 지금 당장 분리수거하기 위해서 이런 것들을 수집하는 거 어때? Sounds good. 좋은 생각이야. Okay, repeat after me. May I have your attention? May I have your attention? 여기 집중 좀 해줄 수 있니? Sure, what is it? Sure, what is it? 당연하지, 뭔데? Or, of course, what is it? Or, certainly, what is it? You can use these kinds of expressions, okay? Okay, let's go on to the next page. Let's read the words together. Number 1, recycling cans and paper. Recycling cans and paper. Number 2, planting more trees. Planting more trees. Number 3, using public transportation. Using public transportation. And number 4, reusing plastic bottles. Reusing plastic bottles. Okay, let's look at the picture on the bottom. And we can ask, how can we save the earth? How can we save the earth? And number 1, we can answer, we can do it by, what is number 1? Number 1 is reusing plastic bottles. Reusing plastic bottles. We can do it by reusing plastic bottles. Okay, number 2, what can we do to save the earth? We can do it by planting more trees. We can do it by planting more trees. And number 3, how can we save the earth? Number 3 would be, we can do it by using public transportation. We can do it by using public transportations. Okay, and number 4, how can we save the earth? Yes, we can do it by recycling plastic bottles. Recycling plastic bottles. Okay, very good. Okay, we'll look at the next page. Okay, let's read together, guys. 1, 2, 3. May I have your attention? Sure, what is it? We've made the earth very sick. How can we save the earth? We can do it by recycling cans and paper. Sounds good. May I have your attention? Of course, what is it? We've made the earth very sick. How can we save the earth? We can do it by planting more trees. Good idea. Okay, very good, guys. Let's look at the next questions, part B. Okay, for number 1. Number 1, how can we save the earth? Okay, number 1 would be, we can do it by reusing plastic bottles. Is the picture number 1 reusing plastic bottles? No, it is recycling plastic bottles. So it will be false. It will be false. And number 2, how can we save the earth? We can do it by recycling cans and paper. Okay, is number 2 recycling cans and paper? Yes, so we can check true. Okay, number 3, how can we save the earth? Number 3 picture, we can do it by planting more trees. Is this a picture of planting more trees? No, they are cutting down the trees. So it will be false. And the last question, how can we save the earth? Last question, number 4, we can do it by using public transportation. Is this a picture of using public transportation? Yes, it is the subway of public transportation, so it is true. Okay, let's look at the next page, guys. You guys are doing great. You guys are doing great. Okay, number 1. How can we save the earth? For picture number 1. If you go down the ladder, it will be planting more trees. So, how can we save the earth? We can do it by planting more trees. Okay, how about number 2? How can we save the earth? Number 2 would be we can do it by using public transportation. We can do it by using public transportation. Okay, number 3. Number 3, how can we save the earth? How can we save the earth? Number 3 would be we can do it by recycling cans and paper. Recycling cans and paper. And number 4, how can we save the earth? How can we save the earth? We can do it by using less water. We can do it by using less water. Number 5, how can we save the earth? How can we save the earth? Number 5 would be we could do it by reusing plastic bottles. Reusing plastic bottles. And the last question, how can we save the earth? How can we save the earth? We can do it by turning off the lights. Turning off the lights. Okay, very good. Okay, let's look at the last part. Okay, how can we save the earth? Guys, how can we save the earth? We can use less water using public transportation. There's many ways we can save the earth. I want you to think of 5 ways to save the earth and write it down. Okay? Write it down and show me next time you come to class. Okay, very good, guys. Very good job today. So 2 phrases you need to know today was how can we save the earth? And we can do it by blank. We can do it by blank. Okay, so I will post our homework on the application. Please check and send in your homework before 1 o'clock on Wednesday. Before 1 o'clock on Wednesday. Okay, very good. See you next time.